Have you ever fallen asleep, but suddenly you're flying over your school or talking to a dinosaur? Your eyes are closed, but your brain is still creating whole worlds. So, why do we dream? Almost everybody dreams. Kids dream, parents dream, even babies dream. And sometimes dreams feel super real, like when you wake up and still remember part of it. But here's the strange part. Your body is resting, yet your brain becomes very active. Some parts even work harder during dreams than when you're awake. While you sleep, your brain starts sorting memories, like cleaning a messy bedroom. It keeps important things and throws away tiny, unimportant details. And dreams may help with that sorting. Your brain mixes memories, feelings, sounds, and imagination together. That's why dreams can feel weird. It's kind of like making soup. You mix lots of ingredients together and suddenly create something brand new. But then, why do some dreams become scary? Every night, your brain creates many dream stories. Some are tiny, some feel huge, and your brain can build them in just seconds. Scientists discovered that dreaming happens most during a sleep stage called REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. That's when your eyes move quickly under your eyelids. But here's another mystery. If dreams help our brains, what would happen if we never dreamed at all? Scientists think dreaming may help us learn, remember, and even handle emotions. That means dreams might help your brain practice life. First, your brain saves important memories. Then, it connects feelings to those memories. Finally, it turns some of them into dreams. So dreams may be your brain's way of practicing, remembering, and truly understanding your big, wide world. And while you are sleeping, millions of other kids around the world are dreaming too. Every brain quietly building stories in the dark. So, why do we dream? Scientists are still discovering new answers, but dreams seem to help our brains organize memories, handle feelings, and learn about the world. But there's another mystery. Why do some people remember dreams, while others forget them almost instantly? Maybe we'll discover that next.
Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.